CIEN stock analysis tomorrow, Thursday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end, find out. Observing Ciena Corporation, I'm actually a big fan. It's a 1% up, but zooming out, I appreciate the higher time frame bullish market because I have made previous videos on these, and actually it was so on point. You know, my color was so on point. You might not believe me, but this is why I'm here to just pull out the proof. Here's the video, and I'm the only guy in the space that has actually done 41,000 videos and documented them all over 5 years. You know, so here's that proof. So this was made approximately a year ago, 8th of March. I was looking to take it from like 50 to at least 79, 80 bucks, right? And not only did it happen, like we reached that 70, 80 bucks top. Now I'm looking to just jump in even more. That means unless I see the price pulling down and giving me that shift, then there's just going to be no way that I'm going to randomly look to buy, you know. So this is where we ultimately are. If it pulls down and gives me the shift, that's what I'm looking to take. That's when I'm going to look to take it up. So if you do want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, then just click the first link in the description, get my free emails.